You know your credit score? You check it? You track it? You think that one number tells the full story of your financial life. But behind the scenes, there is another number. A score you have never seen. A rating calculated by AI systems you did not know existed. Using data you did not know you gave away. And this invisible rating may already be deciding more about your daily life than your credit score ever did. It can influence how long you wait on a customer service call. It can affect whether you see a premium apartment listing or a sold-out message. It may even shape the price of your next insurance quote. Right now, AI-powered systems are quietly building profiles of hundreds of millions of consumers. These profiles go far beyond purchase history. They track behavior, patterns, timing, even hesitation. And based on that data, they sort people into tiers. The tier you fall into can shape the prices you see, the service you receive, and the opportunities that appear on your screen. Most people have no idea this sorting is happening. This is the invisible rating. The first layer is how the data gets collected. Every click you make online is a data point. But it is no longer just about what you buy. It is about how you behave. Do you scroll past ads quickly or pause on them for a few seconds? Do you pay your bills on the 1st of the month or the 5th? Do you type your passwords quickly or slowly? These may seem like small habits, but in the data industry, they are called behavioral signals, and they are being recorded. Data broker companies compile what are known as consumer disclosure reports. These reports can run hundreds of pages long. They may include your address history, your estimated income bracket, your insurance claim patterns, and even your social connections. This is not traditional surveillance. It is profiling at scale. And once a system categorizes someone as lower value, the options presented to that person can quietly begin to narrow. Unlike your credit score, there is often no clear way to check this rating, dispute it, or even confirm it exists. This is where the structure becomes self-reinforcing. The invisible rating can create a feedback loop. If an AI system flags someone as financially risky based on browsing behavior or payment timing, it may display higher interest rates on a loan offer. If that person accepts the higher rate, their monthly financial pressure increases. That increased pressure may then push their behavioral signals further in the negative direction. The prediction does not just reflect reality. In some cases, it helps shape it. This same logic appears in dynamic pricing. Two people in the same city, searching for the same flight at the same time, can see two completely different prices. The system estimates what each person is likely willing to pay. Your device, your location, your browsing history, and your past spending patterns all feed into that calculation. Your invisible rating becomes your price tag. The third layer is access. We are quietly moving from a world built on human judgment to one built on algorithmic gatekeeping. In the past, if you had a billing problem or a service complaint, you could talk to a manager, a person who could use discretion, context, and empathy. Today, many companies route customers through automated systems first, and those automated systems may already know your profile score. If your rating is high, you may be connected to a human representative faster. If it is low, you may cycle through chatbot loops that lead nowhere. The door is not locked, but it opens wider for some people than others. Over time, this creates a subtle pressure. People begin adjusting their behavior to match what the algorithm rewards, not because anyone told them to, but because the system makes it easier to be predictable than to be yourself. Not every AI scoring system is designed to exploit. Some profiling helps detect fraud, prevent abuse, or improve services. But when the scoring is invisible, when there is no way for the consumer to see it, challenge it, or understand how it was calculated, the structure creates an imbalance worth paying attention to. So what can you do? First, audit your digital footprint. Use privacy-focused browsers and review your app permissions regularly. Second, in the United States, You have the legal right under the Fair Credit Reporting Act to request your consumer disclosure reports from major data brokers. In the UK and EU, GDPR gives you the right to access personal data held about you. Use those rights. Third, vary your digital patterns. Do not let one platform build a complete behavioral map of who you are. The most powerful systems are not the ones that force you to comply. They are the ones that score you in silence and quietly reshape your world without ever asking permission. You did not sign up for a rating, but the rating already exists. The most important step is simply knowing it is there. If this changed how you think about your data, subscribe to Mind Rigged. This is Mind Rigged. See the system break the loop.